Who doesn't love pancakes? Well, this is a real twist on the classic. Vegan, yes, I said vegan, gingerbread pancakes that are so fluffy and satisfying for the tummy.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So firstly, into a bowl, add in the coconut flour. Now you can use spelt flour as a substitute, but I do love the coconut flavour. Next, add in your ground flax seeds. These are so good for you. They help with everything from heart disease to diabetes. They are a major superfood, and I do like to sneak them in when baking nowadays. Next up, add in your baking soda, your baking powder, and some salt. For the spices, I'm sticking to the classics. Add in the cinnamon, which I don't have to tell you is delicious in pancakes, and of course some ground ginger. I love this flavour combo. It's very festive but makes for good eating all year round. Add the stevia as your sugar substitute and mix the dry ingredients well with a whisk. For the wet mix, into a jug, place in any plant-based milk. I'm using oat milk, but coconut or almond will go great as well. To keep the pancakes from burning in the pan, I add in some coconut oil. To contrast with the sweetness, I add some apple cider vinegar to balance it. And finally, add some molasses or golden syrup in my case. This gives the pancakes a really moist texture. Mix it all together well and add to the dry mix. Stir gently, but don't over mix or the batter will turn nasty on you in the pan. So just mix it until just combined. Into a non-stick pan over a medium heat, add the batter. You make them the size you want. Obviously, I like mine a little larger. And then using a spatula, carefully flip over and cook the other side. Each side should take 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat this process and stack them ready to serve, and then pour over some pure maple syrup and serve them up. Fluffy, moist, with great flavors. This is perfect for those lazy weekend breakfasts.